I'm Judge Nelson Gooden. I'm a current judge in the 3rd Judicial District Court and running to maintain that position. My background is I've been an attorney for 21 years, close to 22 years now. I practiced a wide variety of law during that time, 9 years of civil practice, handling a multitude of different types of civil cases. I was at the District Attorney's Office for 10 years, from 2000 through the early part of 2011, when I became the Chief Legal Counsel for the Department of Taxation and Revenue, working in Santa Fe and driving back to Las Cruces every weekend to be with those that were important to me. I come from a family of 10 siblings, and I'm one of the older ones, so during that time period I had the opportunity to be involved in the raising of my younger siblings and seeing what is important to them and what is important to these small children. While I've been on the bench, I've been handling primarily domestic relations matters, divorce cases, child custody cases, paternity matters, and also the mental health cases. I was appointed to the bench late April and took the bench in May after being appointed by Governor Susana Martinez after a recommendation by a bipartisan commission to her for that. I've been a high school sports official since the late 90s, refereeing football, previously refereeing basketball, and also track. So I have a lot of involvement with the community, a lot of involvement with the schools and with the children in our community, providing a role model to them. It's very nice to see a child somewhere that'll come up to me and say, "Hey, I know you, you're my ref for my game." That's who I am, it's what I stand for, and I'm hope to get your support and endorsement.
I am Darren Cooler, and I'm a candidate for District Court Judge here in Doña Ana County. That is Division 3. It is currently a family law position. I'm running for this position because I have been an attorney in public service in one form or another for my entire career, and that includes 4 years on the bench as a domestic violence special commissioner for the District Court. In that capacity, I was handling all petitions or requests for orders of protection and enforcement of those orders of protection. That included running 2 dockets a week and handling approximately 800 new petitions per year and issuing in the neighborhood of about 700 to 750 orders of protection, and also handling the enforcement of those orders, which could include sanctions such as incarceration, could include complaints filed by law enforcement where they made an arrest for the violation of those orders. It also included dealing with issues of child custody visitation that accompany orders of protection where family are involved. I've been involved as an attorney, as both a prosecutor in the criminal justice system and a defense attorney, including time as a deputy DA in Deming. My career started out as a public defender. I'm also working currently as a public defender on contract with the federal court. So my background has been in public service in one form or another. Went private 5 years ago and started handling family law cases, and in September 2008 is when I was hired on as a domestic violence commissioner. So I would appreciate your consideration for the endorsement, and that's my basic background. Thank you.